Welcome back, guys. I know, same me, same outfit. I'm not changing. I don't feel good. I've got errands to run. I got kids to take to the doctors. This is who I am. This is who you're getting. Deal with it. Okay, guys, welcome back again. I've got the Allure Beauty Box, super cute white box, holographic. Always comes in this cute white box. It is a $15 a month subscription. You get like about 5 items, and it should range for your $15. You should be guaranteed anywhere between $50 to $90 worth of stuff in this little box. So if you're interested to see what's in here and you've been looking into the subscription, stay tuned, stay here, don't move, don't click, just stay. Okay, so Allure Beauty Box, we're gonna open this bad boy up. Bloop. It has the pamphlet, and in the pamphlet it will tell you which editor chose the item, why, how they used it, what they thought was special about it, why they felt like it was important to put in here. And then, true for every item, it will also tell you the full-size price. And yeah, so here it is. That's what it is. Usually there's an advertisement on the, oh, it just says refer a friend. Also, something you should know about this box is if you are a brand new subscriber, and I will have a link down below if I have a link. I don't know, we'll see. Check the description box. But it is $10 your first month. They give you a $5 discount. So it's $10 the first month, $15 after that. They do offer a 3-month to an annual discounted rates, but I just do it month to month. So it's $15 a month for this box, and again, $50 to $90 worth of stuff. So let's see what we got. Let's jump in. As you guys have seen in the other videos, they have this red tissue paper. You open it up, and then you got your little box of goodies right here. First thing I see in here, and I did not check spoilers, you guys. The most spoiling I saw was when I was flipping through this right now with you guys. I'm actually pretty excited because of the first item. I'm not going to go in order because, let me actually find it in here, because this item is something I am so excited to try. I have not bought it yet because every time I go to Ulta, it's sold out. Anytime I try to find it in a store, it's sold out. Anytime I try to order it online, it's sold out. So this is supposed to be the dupe for the Tatcha Poreless Primer. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, Universal Sheer. I have been so excited to try this because I do have enlarged pores. I actually feel like when I use a pore filler, my creases, my old lady forehead, gets way better because this type stuff fills in those lines. Way better at makeup application. My problem with stuff like this usually though is they clog my pores. So I have to wash my face really, really, really well when I use a poreless type primer because it's filling in those holes. But I am super excited about this. I'm going to open it up right now. e.l.f. is a super affordable brand. It is cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny approved, all that good stuff. It's just a good brand that's been around for forever. Anybody else remember when e.l.f. was like $1 for everything? It was $1 per item. They've definitely, things are different now, but $1 per item, that's where they started. So, hey guys, brands out there, why can't you do what e.l.f.'s doing? You know what's super fun about this? It really does look like putty. It looks like the putty I would buy my kids to play with. No smell whatsoever, which is awesome. I prefer no smell over a bad smell any day. But I'm super excited about this. This is an item I have wanted for a while. So it is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Ooh, whoa, in frame would be good. And there's the packaging. And it is $8. This putty primer, and I am super excited because I have wanted to try this for so long. I've never tried the Tatcha, mostly because I've never been given it to me in one of these boxes. So I don't know the difference, but I'm excited to just already have the dupe because I love e.l.f. e.l.f. is one of the, I use a lot of e.l.f. every day. Actually, because it's just tried and true products that I've always just fallen back onto because they are just good for me. I mean, again, do what you got to do, but pretty excited about this little hockey puck of makeup stuff right here. So now we're going to go in order because I just saw that and was super excited. So the first item is Peter Thomas Roth. Where is it? Oh, right here. It's a tube. In here, it shows it as a tub. In here, they gave me a tube. So it is Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. Super cute packaging. It's got that blue to white ombre thing going on. For best results, apply twice daily to face and neck with continued use. So that makes me think it's totally fine to have under makeup, because if it's saying twice a day, they're assuming you're going to wear makeup that day, right? Cool. This one feels kind of full, actually. It doesn't feel like it's not very full. It's got a sealed little opening there, so I don't have to worry about it being weird. I just can jump right into it, and it's mine. This is definitely a sample, maybe travel size, but it is not their full size. Full size retails for $52. So there you go. That's the Peter Roth moisturizer. Gonna give it a shot. The next item is a lipstick by Tarte. It is Tarte Color Splash Rainforest of the Sea formula. This was one of their, this came out a while, this whole line of stuff. But it is Color Splash lipstick, and I got it in the shade Surf's Up. And something I've decided recently is you can't trust the swatch. The swatch is crap, okay? Don't trust it. Open it up, look at it, because you're not gonna know unless you open it up. See right there, I feel like this is more brown and that's more red. Oh, I've been getting so many colors this shade. The packaging is beautiful though. I mean, just look at that. That is beautiful packaging. But what I'm gonna do, because I do have so many shades like this, I'm actually gonna repackage that back up, and I'm gonna put it in the giveaway for you guys. So you could be getting that lipstick in your giveaway when I do the thing. If you do purchase this from them, it would retail for $21. This is a full-size product. So was the e.l.f. So 2 full-size products, 1 travel/sample size already. These 24/7 anti-aging eye serum. So that is what the full item looks like. This is what I got, and it does not feel full. This one feels super, super. You can hear it sloshing. It feels really empty. I don't feel like there's a lot of product in this for me. Oh, this eye serum, full price for that one, $115. Whoa. Call me crazy, but $115 for an eye cream is a lot. Yeah, ignore my laundry right there. I feel like I don't know, I'll have to try it, but I don't feel like they gave me enough to give it a real good try. So there it is. It is called Freeze 24/7. Never heard of it. There it is. Not much product in there at all. Cureology. I've never had anything by Cureology, but it is a brand I know about and I have heard about. It's actually Cureology the Cleanser. Clean Sweep Cleanser. Here is its cute packaging, purple and gray. The full size of this is a 1.4 fluid ounce, and you would get it for $19.95. This is a little guy. And it's very curated to you. Cureology is curated to you usually. Here's the little sampley guy, and it is a 0.5 ounce. So it's half of an ounce of product. It is their face wash. Oh, it's sealed. I will definitely give it a shot though, because I've wanted to try Cureology, and honestly, I get a lot of adult acne. I'm in my 30s, but I get a lot of hormonal adult acne. I have a cold sore right now, so I got on my face. I need to do something differently. I need to minimize pores. I need to work on my fine lines. Got to work under my eyes. Got to get this crap under control. I'm a hot mess, but maybe Cureology will help with something. I don't know. We'll have to see. The next item is the last item, and it is Bliss. That's Incredipeel Extra Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pads to Smooth and Brighten. I feel like they just gave us something pretty similar in a different Allure Beauty box. I don't know. I feel like we've already done this. How many are in here? There are 5 pads. So 5 uses right there. Super cute brand. I feel like maybe it was a Target beauty box that gave me this. I don't know. I'll have to go research my videos, but I feel like I've had this. Haven't tried it yet though. So this is awesome because we really do like to do at-home facials, peels, all that kind of good stuff. But this is a $19.99 price and you get 15. So this is 5 of them in here, but for 20 bucks you would get 15. And it says you can buy it at Target. So this is a Target brand. So I have received this in a different box. I think it only came with 2 pads though, where this one's giving you 5 treatments instead of just 2. But that is all the items. I got quite a bit of skincare. So skincare, makeup. Gonna toss this towards you guys, okay? So everything else I'm gonna keep, use, try. Lipstick is gonna go in the giveaway bin, which I need to get going soon. So tell your friends and get some subscribers because I need at least 50 subscribers so I can do the giveaway I'm planning. And my giveaway is filling up a huge tub right now. Like, I need to get it out of my closet. I am running out of space. So please please subscribe. Tell your friends, share, because as soon as I can get 50, it is giveaway time. And there is some good stuff in that giveaway bin. I might even do 3 tiers of giveaway because I have that many items to give away that I could do 3 tiers of cool giveaway options. So please subscribe, say hi below, and I'll see you on the next one. And I hope you liked it. And I don't know, what else should I say? It's pretty, isn't it? It's taking over my face. Sexy. All right, I'm out of here. I'm gonna wash my face off, take a nap. I'm done.